Self-confidence refers to a person's belief in their abilities, qualities, and judgment. It is an essential trait for achieving success in life, as it helps individuals take risks, overcome obstacles, and handle failure. Here are some ways to increase self-confidence. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Recognize your unique qualities and what you excel at. Focus on developing your strengths and work on improving your weaknesses. Set realistic goals. Set achievable goals that align with your abilities and interests. Accomplishing these goals will give you a sense of accomplishment and boost your confidence. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and mental health by getting enough sleep, exercise, and nutrition. Also, practice self-compassion and avoid negative self-talk. Learn new skills. Take on new challenges and learn new skills. This can help you gain confidence and expand your capabilities. Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people who encourage and motivate you. Take action. Avoid procrastination and take action towards your goals. This will help you build momentum and confidence in your abilities. Remember, building self-confidence is a process that takes time and effort. However, with dedication and practice, anyone can improve their self-confidence and achieve their goals.